Guys, gusto kong i-share yung bracelet na binili ko recently. Ito siya. So, it has citrine. Citrine, it's for wealth. And meron din siyang jade. For fortune naman daw siya. Parang same lang naman yun. Wealth and fortune. Anyway, meron siyang 10K gold bead for inspiration and ay, hindi niyo pala kita. Oh my God. Wait. Ayan. So, ayan nga. Citrine siya. Yan. For wealth. Jade for fortune. Tapos, 10K gold bead. Yan. For inspiration daw. Tapos, lapis lazuli, kulay blue. For fame. Tapos, itong gold pixie na parang dragon ata siya. Success and wealth naman. Tapos, Swarovski for beauty. So, yeah. Looks pretty. Pero medyo masikip siya daw.